In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Discord server. If a server has become too noisy, off topic, or you simply don't need it anymore, leaving it is quick and tidy. I'll walk you through what you'll see, how to do it, and what changes once you're out, so you feel confident before you click anything. When you open Discord on your computer, look to the far left side of the window. That vertical bar is your server list. Each circular icon there represents a different server you've joined. If you hover over an icon, you'll see its name, which makes it easier to confirm you're choosing the right place. Take a moment to locate the specific server you want to leave. Once you've found it, move your mouse over that server's icon and right-click. This opens a small menu with options related to that server. In that menu, find and select Leave Server. Discord may ask you to confirm. This is simply to make sure you didn't click by accident. Confirm the choice, and that's it. You've left. After you leave, the server will disappear from your left sidebar. You'll stop receiving notifications and new messages from it, and you won't be able to access its channels anymore. Your previous messages remain visible to others in that server's history, just like any normal chat log, but your name will no longer appear in the member list. If you change your mind later, you can rejoin as long as you have a valid invite link or an admin re-invites you. You'll start fresh with whatever roles or permissions are assigned to you at that time. A quick note for server owners. If you created the server, you'll need to transfer ownership to someone else before you can leave. Discord requires an active owner so the community can keep running smoothly. Also, leaving a server doesn't notify everyone. It's a quiet action, and while some servers might have logs for moderators, regular members won't see a big announcement. If you're on the fence, remember, there are alternatives like muting notifications or hiding a server, which can reduce noise without fully leaving. But when you know you're ready to step away, the process is exactly what we covered. Find the server in the left bar, right-click it, and choose Leave Server. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you streamline your Discord experience, feel free to check out more quick guides like this one.